Ritu, what came in your mind when you started this business of branding pharmacies and facilitating goods to the consumers at the doorstep?
So that's why we started the concept of Care on Go. So basically Care on Go is a full stack solution to the local pharmacies. So we start right from branding these local pharmacies and giving them a name of a branded chain, unlike right now, if you see, go to any pharmacy, it's very localized, 50 meters, 100 meters, right? Then second technology solution which we provide them is a ERP solution, which is like an inventory management solution along with the point of sales. So it helps them in managing their inventory well, and they also know what's. The third wing is we help these pharmacies sell to their end consumers. So we have a consumer facing app where anyone can place the order on the app, right from uploading a prescription or choosing any of the wellness products, and we provide a home delivery doorstep service.
And how does Care on Go work?
Care on Go has I can say two major apps. One is a consumer facing app which helps the consumers place their orders and receive deliveries at their home. Second app is an InstaStock app which we have recently launched. So InstaStock helps the retailers to select their products and order directly from the app. So till now, if you see, most of the solutions or most of the apps which you find in the market are all consumer facing apps. So we have also developed the app for these local pharmacies, which we see that these days they are quite comfortable with using mobile phones, and for them it becomes very easy and like a 2-minute task to just go on the app, just say I want this brand products in these many quantities, and it's a next day delivery.
So what is the extra benefit being a consumer I'll be getting from the app?
So see, the app has lot many features which you'll love once you start using the app. Right from the process of ordering, you simply have to upload your prescription, give your address, and your order is done.
Do I get a discount also?
Yes, you do get additional discounts, right? And if you keep ordering from us, we have recently launched a feature of subscription where you can say that I want these set of medicines every 15 days or every 20 days. You don't have to place the order again and again. You'll just simply get your medicines every 15 days.
So apart from branding the pharmacies, like how the micro mini level pharmacies, like mini level pharmacies which have low budget, how are they getting benefit from this?
It enables our platform for the retailers to buy anything and also provide a short-term loan in within 2-3 days, right? So that so generally a retailer has to go on from bank to bank finding out loans, right? And within the limited budget he has, he cannot expand his reach. He cannot expand his product list, but the facilities which we are providing him, he can of course grow his business not just from the selling side but also from the procurement side.
So what are expansion plans for the near future, like say for about 3-4 years?
So in 3-4 years, such a wide expansion plan, but still in next 2 years we see that we'll be able to cover more than 20 cities in providing a full stack solution to these pharmacies.
And how many pharmacies are being tied up with Care on Go?
So currently we have more than 800 pharmacies in all the cities, and so all these 800 pharmacies are on our Care on Go platform, and many of them are actually using our complete end-to-end solution.
So Ritu, tell us more about your marketing strategy and your business model.
So basically in terms of marketing, so what we have done is, so we have developed many corporate tie-ups with medium level and high level companies where we reach out to our end consumers through these various corporate tie-ups and other startups which are dealing in healthcare industry. So it's kind of an integrated solution which we have provided to these pharmacies, and it's a one-stop thing which I can say is a business model right now.
Ritu, you're doing actually very good for the Indian healthcare sector, if I must say, and of course people at the doorstep, they are getting everything which they want. It's time efficient. And one tip you would like to give for the budding entrepreneurs of India?
So I would say that keep your focus on what you think is a real problem. Do a proper research on finding whether the problem really exists, and then if you feel that there is something you can do about it, so just go for it. Don't think twice.
And so, like while setting up Care on Go, you must have come across many hurdles. and or maybe it could be like hurdles in financing or infrastructure or even making a team. So how did you cope up with that?
So of course, when you start something new, you get various different kinds of new problems which you have never experienced in life. But if you really feel great about your idea, and you feel that your idea is good enough to change the market, then I think you get all the energy and you get all the strength to solve the problems which you get.